of 2022. As you already know, we are wrapping up the year, and 2023 will be here before you know it. But before we get into 2023, we wanted to present you all with some business planning tips. A little checklist for you all to be able to make sure you have dotted all of your I's and crossed all of your T's for the end of the year. Let's get right into it. Let's get into your accounting checklist. So the first thing you want to do is look into any outstanding accounts payables and receivables that you have on the books. If you have any vendors that you owe, you want to make sure you get those things paid before we close out the year. And if anybody owes you, you want to make sure you're reaching out to these people to get these invoices cleared and paid before we get to the end of the year. That moves into the next point, bookkeeping. You definitely want to make sure that your books are in order so that you can have a smooth closing process. We're already in December, and so the last month you should be waiting on is this month as far as getting everything closed and settled. And so with your bookkeeping, you want to make sure everything is categorized correctly, everything is going to the right account, and that you have everything covered and on the books and that nothing is missing. And so with this, you'll also want to make sure you get your reports ran. Now, the reports won't be final until January 1st, but you can run reports now in December to determine what things are looking like within your accounting and within your books. And so you'll want to run those monthly profit and loss reports, those quarterly profit and loss reports. You can even run an estimated annual profit and loss report so that you can look into if anything is missing. Do you notice any errors? Do you notice anything categorized in the wrong section or anything that's misplaced or out of place? You definitely want to make sure you get those reports ran. This will help you look into your bookkeeping to help you get a wide view of what was taking place throughout the year and what can we change or what we need to change before the end of the year and before we close out the year. And so again, the reports won't be final until the beginning of the year, until January 1st, because we're still in the month of December, and so you still have the December information on there, but you can give yourself some type of estimate of what you can expect. What is your taxable income even looking like? Once you have those things, you'll be smooth sailing and ready for closing by the end of the year. As we close out the year, having those accounting conversations with your accountant will ensure that the plan that you've already set forth for next year is good to go and helps you reach your goals. As we do a consulting consultation with us today at luxefinancials.com to get started with your consulting